Welcome back to the World Discovery Channel with Luna today. Let's learn together about the behavioral life of animals living in the ocean. First, let's learn about sharks, which are known as the fierce gods of the ocean and are feared by many animals. Sharks, members of the class Chondriches and the subclass Elasmobranchiae, are one of the most fascinating and diverse groups of fish in the ocean. They are often depicted as fierce predators, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. This detailed overview covers their classification, physical characteristics, sensory systems, behavior, diet, reproduction, ecological importance, conservation status, and notable species. Sharks belong to the class Chondriches, characterized by having skeletons made of cartilage instead of bone. Within this class, they are part of the subclass Elasmobranchiae, which also includes rays and skates. The order Selachomorpha encompasses all shark species, which are further divided into various families and genera. Carcharhiniforms ground sharks includes well-known species like the tiger shark, bull shark, and blue shark. Lamniforms mackerel sharks includes the great white shark, mako shark, and basking shark. Orectoloborms carpet sharks includes the whale shark and nurse shark. Squaliforms dogfish sharks includes species like the spiny dogfish. Hexantiforms cow and frilled sharks includes primitive species like the frilled shark. Heterodontiforms bullhead sharks includes species like the horn shark. Sharks exhibit a wide range of sizes and shapes. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails enable efficient swimming. Key physical features include cartilaginous skeleton, lightweight and flexible, providing buoyancy and agility. Dermal denticles, tiny, tooth-like structures on their skin reduce drag and increase swimming efficiency. Teeth, continuously replaced throughout their lives, with different shapes suited to their diet, sharp for cutting, flat for crushing. Smallest shark, the dwarf lantern shark Edmopterus puri measures about 17 centimeters 6.7 inches in length. Largest shark, the whale shark Rhynchodon typus can grow up to 12 meters 39 feet and weigh around 21.5 tons. Sharks possess highly developed sensory systems that make them effective predators. Vision, adapted for low light conditions, some species have a reflective layer behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum, enhancing night vision. Olfaction, highly sensitive, sharks can detect blood in the water from great distances due to specialized olfactory bulbs. Hearing, acute sense of hearing capable of detecting low-frequency sounds and vibrations from potential prey. Lateral line system detects water movements and vibrations, helping sharks sense prey and navigate. Ampulla of Lorenzini, electrosensory organs around the snout detect electric fields produced by other animals, aiding in locating prey and navigation. Sharks exhibit a wide range of behaviors and dietary preferences. Predatory behavior. Many sharks are apex predators, maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by controlling the population of prey species. Feeding habits vary widely among species. For example, the great white shark preys on marine mammals, while the whale shark filters plankton. Social behavior. Some species are solitary, while others, like hammerhead sharks, form schools for hunting or mating. Migratory patterns. Many sharks undertake long migrations for breeding or following prey. The great white shark, for example, migrates between feeding and breeding grounds. Sharks have diverse reproductive strategies with three main types. Oviparous egg laying. Eggs are laid outside the mother's body, developing and hatching externally. Example, horn sharks. Viviparous live bearing. Young develop inside the mother, receiving nourishment through a placenta-like structure and born live. Example, bull sharks, ovoviviparous. Eggs hatch within the mother's body, and the young are born live. They receive nourishment from a yolk sac rather than a placenta. Example, great white sharks. Population control. By preying on weaker or diseased individuals, sharks help maintain healthy fish populations. Ecosystem balance. As apex predators, they influence the distribution and behavior of prey species, contributing to the balance of marine ecosystems. Many shark species are threatened by human activities, particularly overfishing and the demand for shark fins. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN, endangered species, great hammerhead, scalloped hammerhead, and whale shark. Vulnerable species, great white shark, basking shark, and shortfin mako. Marine protected areas. Establishing protected zones where fishing is restricted or banned. Fishing regulations. Implementing catch limits and bans on shark finning. Public awareness. Educating the public about the importance of sharks and the threats they face. Research and monitoring. Studying shark populations, behaviors, and migrations to inform conservation strategies. Sharks are a vital component of marine ecosystems, with a wide range of species exhibiting diverse physical characteristics, behaviors, and ecological roles. Despite their fearsome reputation, they are crucial for maintaining the balance of oceanic life. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these remarkable creatures from the numerous threats they face, ensuring their survival for future generations. Next, let's learn about dolphins, a very intelligent animal that often appears in amusement parks. Dolphins are aquatic mammals belonging to the family Delphinidae and are part of the order Cetacea, which also includes whales and porpoises. They inhabit both the world's oceans and some rivers. Dolphins are known for their high intelligence, sociable nature, and acrobatic displays, making them a subject of fascination and research. Dolphins possess a streamlined, fusiform body ideal for swift swimming. Their morphology includes size. Depending on the species, dolphins can range from 1.2 meters 4 feet to 9.5 meters 31 feet. The smallest is the Mao's dolphin, while the largest is the orca, commonly known as the killer whale. Coloration. Most dolphins exhibit shades of gray with lighter underbellies, although some species display distinct patterns or coloration. For example, the common dolphin has a colorful pattern with yellow and gray. Fins and flippers. They have a dorsal fin for stability, pectoral flippers for steering, and a fluke tail fin for propulsion. Head and beak. Many dolphins have a pronounced beak-like snout, called a rostrum, and a melon-shaped head, which aids in echolocation. Dolphins are found in various marine environments, from coastal areas and continental shelves to open oceanic waters. Some species, such as the Amazon River dolphin boto, inhabit freshwater rivers. Their distribution includes coastal dolphins. Bottlenose dolphins are common in coastal and inshore environments. Pelagic dolphins. Species like the spinner dolphin and the common dolphin thrive in deeper, open ocean waters. Freshwater dolphins. Species such as the Amazon River dolphin and the Ganges River dolphin are adapted to freshwater habitats. Dolphins are highly social animals that live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to several hundred members. Their social structure and behavior are characterized by pod dynamics. Pods may be structured by age, sex, and family relationships. They exhibit cooperative behaviors such as hunting in groups, caring for sick or injured members, and protecting each other from predators. Communication. Dolphins use a complex system of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and pulse sounds. They also communicate through body language, such as breaching, slapping their tails on the water, and headbutting. Play and intelligence. Dolphins engage in play, which is crucial for social bonding and cognitive development. They display behaviors like riding waves, playing with objects, and interacting with other species, including humans. Dolphins are equipped with advanced sensory systems, particularly echolocation, which is essential for navigation, hunting, and communication in their underwater environment. Echolocation. Dolphins emit high-frequency clicks from their nasal sacs, which pass through the melanosphatty organ in the forehead and are directed into the water. The returning echoes provide information about the size, shape, distance, and composition of objects. Hearing. Dolphins have excellent hearing and can detect a wide range of frequencies, much higher than human hearing. Vision and touch. They have good vision both in and out of water and a well-developed sense of touch. Some dolphins can also detect electric fields produced by other organisms. Dolphins are carnivorous and have diverse diets depending on their habitat and species. Common prey includes fish, squid, and crustaceans. Their hunting strategies include cooperative hunting. Pods often work together to herd fish into tight balls, making it easier to catch them. They may also use techniques like mud rings or driving fish onto shorelines. Solitary hunting. Some dolphins hunt alone, using their speed and agility to catch fast-moving prey. Tool use. Certain populations of bottlenose dolphins have been observed using marine sponges to protect their snouts while foraging on the seafloor. Dolphins are carnivorous, primarily feeding on fish and squid. Their hunting techniques vary among species and habitats, but often involve coordinated group efforts to herd and capture prey. Some dolphins use unique methods, such as creating mud rings to trap fish or using their tails to stun prey. Their intelligence and cooperative behavior make them highly effective hunters. Dolphins have relatively long reproductive cycles and low birth rates. Gestation periods typically range from 10 to 12 months, after which a single calf is born. Dolphin calves are nursed by their mothers for up to 2 years, during which they learn essential survival skills. The strong maternal bond and extended care period are crucial for the calf's development and integration into the pod. Dolphins have held significant cultural and symbolic importance throughout human history, appearing in ancient myths, art, and literature. In modern times, they are subjects of scientific research, particularly in the fields of animal behavior and cognition. Studies on dolphins have provided insights into communication, social structures, and intelligence in the animal kingdom. Dolphins are not only fascinating and intelligent marine mammals, but also play a vital role in marine ecosystems. Understanding and protecting dolphins is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and the health of our oceans. Through continued research and conservation efforts, we can ensure that these remarkable animals thrive for generations to come. Next, let's learn about the octopus, an animal with an extremely strange shape. Octopuses are one of the most fascinating and intriguing marine creatures. Belonging to the class Cephalopoda of the phylum Mollusca, octopuses possess a unique body structure with 8 arms and a soft, boneless body. There are approximately 300 different species of octopuses known globally, widely distributed across oceans from tropical regions to polar areas. Arms. Octopuses have 8 arms, each lined with thousands of suction cups. These suction cups not only aid in movement but also serve as sensory tools to explore the environment and catch prey. Each arm can function independently, allowing for complex and coordinated movements. Body. The body of an octopus is soft and highly flexible, allowing it to squeeze through tiny openings. This adaptability is crucial for escaping predators and hunting in narrow crevices. Mantle. The mantle houses the octopus's organs, including the heart, gills, and digestive system. It is a muscular structure that also helps with jet propulsion. Eyes. Octopuses have highly developed eyes with excellent vision. Their eyes can detect polarized light, giving them a distinct advantage in detecting prey and predators. The structure of their eyes is similar to that of vertebrates, showcasing a remarkable example of convergent evolution. Beak. Hidden at the base of their arms is a sharp beak made of chitin. This beak is used to puncture and tear apart prey. The beak is the only hard part of an octopus's body. Octopuses are found in a variety of marine environments, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. They inhabit coral reefs, rocky outcrops, seagrass beds, and sandy bottoms. Their ability to adapt to different habitats is one reason for their wide distribution. Habitat. Octopuses often create dens in crevices, shells, or under rocks. These dens provide protection and a place to lay eggs. Some species, like the common octopus Octopus vulgaris, are known to be territorial and will defend their dens from intruders. Distribution. Octopuses can be found in every ocean, from the warm waters of the tropics to the icy depths of the polar regions. Different species have adapted to specific environmental conditions, such as varying temperatures, salinity levels, and depths. Movement. Octopuses primarily move by crawling along the seafloor using their arms. For faster movement, they use jet propulsion by expelling water through a siphon. This method allows them to make quick escapes from predators. Camouflage. Octopuses are masters of disguise, able to change their skin color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. Specialized cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores in their skin allow for rapid color changes. Defense mechanisms. When threatened, octopuses can release a cloud of ink to confuse predators and create a smokescreen for escape. The ink contains tyrosinase, which can impair the predator's sense of smell and sight. Hunting and feeding. Octopuses are carnivorous and feed on a diet of crabs, shrimp, fish, and other small marine animals. They use their arms to capture prey, then bring it to their beak to consume. Some species employ complex hunting strategies, including using tools like coconut shells to trap prey. Mating. Octopuses are dioecious, with separate male and female individuals. Mating involves the male transferring spermatophores packets of sperm to the female using a specialized arm called the hectocotylus. Egg laying and care. After mating, the female lays thousands of eggs, which she attaches to a substrate in her den. She guards and aerates the eggs, ensuring they receive enough oxygen until they hatch. During this period, the female often stops eating and may die shortly after the eggs hatch. Life cycle. The life cycle of an octopus is relatively short, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. After hatching, juvenile octopuses drift in the planktonic stage before settling to the bottom to mature. They grow rapidly and reach sexual maturity within a few months. Problem-solving skills. Octopuses are renowned for their problem-solving abilities. They can navigate mazes, open jars, and solve complex puzzles to access food. Learning and memory. Octopuses have a sophisticated nervous system and a high brain-to-body ratio. They can learn from experience, remember past events, and even exhibit play behavior. Social interactions. While generally solitary, some species exhibit social behaviors, such as signaling and body language to communicate with other octopuses. Research suggests they can recognize individual humans and respond differently based on past interactions. Ecological impact. As predators, octopuses play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They help regulate the population of their prey species, contributing to the health and diversity of their habitats. Economic and cultural significance. Octopuses are a valuable resource for fisheries around the world. They are also a popular delicacy in many cultures, particularly in Mediterranean and Asian cuisines. Additionally, their unique biology and behavior make them a subject of scientific research and fascination. Octopuses are extraordinary creatures with a wide range of fascinating traits. Their intelligence, adaptability, and complex behaviors make them a subject of endless intrigue for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Next, let's learn about stingrays together. Stingrays, a group of cartilaginous fish related to sharks, belong to the order Myliobatiformes. These fascinating creatures are known for their distinctive flat bodies and wide pectoral fins that resemble wings, allowing them to glide gracefully through the water. This comprehensive guide delves into various aspects of stingrays, from their morphology to their conservation status. Shape: stingrays have a dorsaventrally flattened body with broad, wing-like pectoral fins extending from their heads. The disc-like shape can vary from circular to diamond-shaped, depending on the species. Size: they vary significantly in size. The smallest species, like the short-nosed electric ray, can be as small as 10 centimeters 4 inches across, while the largest, the giant oceanic manta ray, can reach widths of up to 7 meters 23 feet. Skin and scales: their skin is typically smooth, covered with tiny dermal denticles or placoid scales, which are similar to small teeth and provide a rough texture in some species. Coloration: stingrays often have muted colors such as browns, grays, and greens, aiding in camouflage on the ocean floor. Some species have distinctive patterns or spots for additional disguise or mating displays. Stingrays are part of the class Elasmobranchi, which includes both sharks and rays. Within this class, they belong to the order Myliobatiformes. Key families include Family Myliobatidae, eagle rays, known for their long tails and wing-like fins. Family Dasyatida, whiptail stingrays, characterized by their long, slender tails often armed with venomous barbs. Family Mobilidae, manta rays and devil rays, noted for their large size and distinctive cephalic fins used for feeding. Family Potamotrigonidae, river stingrays, found in freshwater habitats in South America. Family Urolophidae, round stingrays, small and found in shallow coastal waters. Marine habitats. Most stingrays are found in tropical and subtropical waters, ranging from shallow coastal areas to deep ocean floors. Freshwater habitats. Some species, such as the Amazonian river stingrays, thrive in freshwater rivers and lakes. Benthopelagic zones. They are often benthic, living close to the seabed, where they can bury themselves in the sand or mud for camouflage and ambush predators. Feeding mechanism. Stingrays are carnivorous, feeding primarily on benthic invertebrates. They use electroreceptors to detect prey hidden in the substrate. Diet composition. Their diet includes small fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and worms. Some larger species, like manta rays, are filter feeders that consume plankton. Feeding techniques. They have powerful jaws and flat, plate-like teeth that crush the shells of prey. Manta rays use their cephalic fins to funnel plankton into their mouths while swimming. Oviparous. Some species lay eggs encased in protective shells, which hatch into juveniles. Viviparous. Many stingrays give birth to live young. Embryos develop inside the mother, receiving nourishment through a yolk sac or a pseudoplacental connection. Gestation period. The gestation period can range from several months to over a year, depending on the species. Females usually give birth to a small number of well-developed pups. Behavior. Stingrays are generally solitary but may gather in large groups during mating or migration. They are known for their docile nature but can become defensive if threatened. Defensive mechanisms. Many stingrays possess venomous spines on their tails, used for self-defense. These spines can inflict painful wounds but are rarely fatal to humans. Economic importance. Stingrays are significant in various sectors, including commercial fisheries, aquariums, and ecotourism. Their presence in coastal areas attracts divers and snorkelers, contributing to local economies. Overfishing. Many stingray species are caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries. Overfishing can lead to population declines and disrupt marine ecosystems. Habitat destruction, coastal development, pollution, and destructive fishing practices degrade habitats essential for stingray survival. Conservation status. The IUCN Red List categorizes several stingray species as vulnerable or endangered. Conservation measures include protected marine areas, sustainable fishing practices, and habitat restoration. Predatory role. As predators, they help control the populations of benthic invertebrates, maintaining ecological balance. Prey for larger predators. Stingrays serve as prey for larger marine animals, including sharks and orcas, contributing to the food web's complexity. Bioturbation. By stirring up the sediment while foraging, stingrays promote nutrient cycling and habitat diversity on the ocean floor. Stingrays are remarkable creatures that contribute significantly to the health and diversity of marine ecosystems. Understanding their biology, behavior, and the challenges they face is essential for their conservation. Protecting stingrays ensures the sustainability of marine environments, benefiting both biodiversity and human communities dependent on healthy oceans. Next, let's learn about sea turtles together. Sea turtles, among the most ancient creatures on Earth, have existed for over 100 million years. They belong to either the Chelonidae or Dermochelidae families and play a crucial role in marine ecosystems. Sea turtles are divided into two main families. Chelonidae. This family includes hard-shelled sea turtles such as the green turtle, hawksbill turtle, olive ridley turtle, Kemp's ridley turtle, loggerhead turtle, and flatback turtle. Dermochelidae. This family includes the leatherback turtle, the largest sea turtle species with a soft shell. Sea turtles share common features such as a flattened body, a hard or soft shell, and modified forelimbs that function as flippers, allowing them to swim efficiently. Their size ranges from a few dozen centimeters to over 2 meters. Leatherback turtles. Sea turtles have a long lifespan, often living from 50 to over 100 years. Their size varies significantly. Green turtles can weigh from 150 to 400 kilograms, while leatherback turtles can weigh up to 900 kilograms. Sea turtles inhabit most of the world's oceans, from tropical to temperate waters. They undertake long migrations, traveling thousands of kilometers between feeding grounds and nesting sites. Sandy beaches, where females lay their eggs, are crucial to their reproductive cycle.
Por ejemplo, la laúd que pone entre 40 y 60, tienen que venir dos tortugas a poner a la playa para que se pueda lograr uno. Es uno de los factores que influyen mucho para el aumento de ellos.
Sea turtles lay eggs on tropical and subtropical beaches. Females return to the exact beach where they were born to lay eggs. A single female can lay between 70 and 190 eggs per clutch and may nest several times in a breeding season. The eggs hatch after about 60 days, and the hatchlings must immediately crawl to the sea to avoid predators. Sea turtles have diverse diets depending on the species. Green turtles primarily consume seagrass and algae. Hawksbill turtles prefer sponges, while leatherback turtles feed on jellyfish and other soft-bodied organisms. Loggerhead turtles eat hard-shelled prey like crabs and mollusks. Sea turtles play vital roles in marine ecosystems. They help maintain the health of coral reefs and seagrass beds, serve as prey for various predators, and their excrement provides nutrients to the ecosystem. Sea turtles face numerous threats from human activities, including illegal poaching, habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Unsustainable fishing practices also pose risks, leading to accidental bycatch and drowning. Various organizations and governments have implemented conservation programs for sea turtles. Measures include protecting nesting beaches, reducing marine pollution, regulating fishing practices, and educating communities about the importance of sea turtle conservation. Sea turtles contribute significantly to marine ecosystems. Seagrass beds. Green turtles maintain healthy seagrass beds by grazing, promoting growth, and providing habitat for other marine life. Coral reefs. Hawksbill turtles help control sponge populations, allowing coral reefs to flourish. Nutrient cycling. Sea turtle eggs and hatchlings provide nutrients for beach ecosystems, supporting a variety of wildlife. Sea turtles face numerous threats, many of which are human-induced. Illegal poaching, hunting for their meat, shells, and eggs. Bycatch, accidental capture in fishing gear. Habitat loss, coastal development and beach erosion affecting nesting sites. Pollution, marine debris, especially plastic, entangles and is ingested by turtles. Climate change, rising temperatures affecting sex ratios and sea level rise impacting nesting beaches. Sea turtles have varied diets based on their species. Herbivores. Green turtles primarily eat seagrass and algae. Carnivores. Loggerhead turtles feed on hard-shelled prey like crabs and mollusks. Spongivores. Hawksbill turtles prefer sponges. Gelatinivores. Leatherback turtles consume jellyfish and other soft-bodied organisms. Sea turtles are found in oceans worldwide, from tropical and subtropical waters to more temperate regions. They inhabit diverse environments, nesting beaches, sandy shores where females lay eggs, feeding grounds, coral reefs, seagrass beds, and open oceans. Migration routes, long migratory paths that can span thousands of kilometers between nesting and feeding sites. Conservation organizations and governments have implemented various strategies to protect sea turtles. Protected areas, establishing marine protected areas and nesting beach sanctuaries. Regulations, enforcing laws against poaching and regulating fisheries to reduce bycatch. Beach management, protecting nesting sites, managing artificial lighting, and controlling predators. Public awareness, educating communities about the importance of sea turtles and promoting sustainable practices. Finally, in today's channel, we will learn about the largest animal in the world, which is the whale. Whales are large marine mammals belonging to the order Cetacea. They are found in oceans around the world, from the warm waters of the tropics to the icy regions of the polar seas. Whales are known for their impressive size and intelligence. The blue whale Balaenoptera musculus holds the title of the largest animal ever known to have existed. Whales are classified into two main suborders. Baleen whales mysticeti. These whales possess baleen plates instead of teeth. They use these plates to filter small organisms like krill and plankton from the water. Notable species include blue whale Balaenoptera musculus, the largest animal on Earth, reaching lengths up to 100 feet and weights of 200 tons. Humpback whale Megaptera novianglia, known for its complex songs and acrobatic breaches. Gray whale Escherichthys robustus, known for its long migrations along the North American coastline. Toothed whales Odontoceti. These whales have teeth and are typically active hunters, preying on fish, squid, and other marine animals. Notable species include sperm whale Physeter macrocephalus, recognizable by its large head and deep diving capabilities. Orca or killer whale Orcinus orca, the largest member of the dolphin family known for its distinctive black and white coloration. Dolphins, including species like the bottlenose dolphin, known for their intelligence and sociability. Size, whales exhibit a vast range of sizes. The smallest species, such as the dwarf sperm whale, measures about 8.5 feet in length, while the blue whale can reach up to 100 feet. Respiratory system. Whales are mammals and breathe air through blowholes located on the tops of their heads. Baleen whales have two blowholes, while toothed whales have one. Skin and blubber. Whales have a thick layer of blubber beneath their skin, which serves as insulation against cold water and an energy reserve. Sound production and echolocation. Toothed whales use echolocation to navigate and hunt, emitting sound waves and listening for echoes. Baleen whales produce low-frequency sounds that can travel long distances underwater, used primarily for communication. Migration. Many whale species migrate seasonally. For instance, the gray whale migrates over 10,000 miles round trip, the longest migration of any mammal. Feeding habits vary widely. Baleen whales often engage in filter feeding, consuming large quantities of small prey. Toothed whales hunt larger individual prey. Reproduction. Whales typically have a long gestation period, 6 months, and give birth to a single calf. The calf is nursed with rich milk for up to a year or more, depending on the species. Social structure. Social behavior varies. Some species, like the orca, live in complex social groups called pods. Others, like the blue whale, are more solitary. Whales face numerous threats, including commercial whaling. Historically, whales were hunted extensively for their oil, meat, and baleen. International whaling regulations have significantly reduced whaling, but illegal hunting still occurs. Pollution, chemical pollutants, plastic waste, and noise pollution from ships and industrial activities negatively impact whale health and habitats. Climate change. Changes in sea temperature and ice cover affect whale migration patterns and prey availability. Ship strikes and fishing gear. Collisions with ships and entanglement in fishing gear cause injuries and fatalities among whales. Conservation efforts include international treaties like the International Whaling Commission (IWC), the establishment of marine protected areas, and various research and rescue programs. Whales are vital to ocean ecosystems. Nutrient cycling. Whale feces provide nutrients that stimulate the growth of phytoplankton, which form the base of the marine food web and play a critical role in carbon sequestration. Marine food web. As both predators and prey, whales influence the population dynamics of other marine species. Ecosystem engineers. The physical movement of whales through the water column helps mix ocean layers, distributing nutrients and oxygen. Whales face numerous threats, including commercial hunting, environmental pollution, ship collisions, and climate change. Many whale species have been driven to the brink of extinction. Today, numerous organizations and governments are working to protect and conserve whale populations through measures such as establishing marine protected areas, banning whaling, and conducting scientific research. Whales are magnificent creatures that play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. They are symbols of the ocean's grandeur and biological diversity. Protecting and conserving whale populations is essential not only for their survival, but also for the overall health of our planet's oceans. Through continued research, conservation efforts, and international cooperation, we can ensure that these incredible animals continue to thrive for future generations.